almost ready. We're waiting.
Oh, good.
Oh, good. Y'all all get to see me cry.
That's why we here.
You ready?
Yeah.
To signal important announcements is the purpose of a bell. We want everyone around to come and wish you well. Ring it loud for all to know that your course of therapy is through, so we can be the first to wish the very best to you.
I'm still strong. So pretty.
Oh, we need a picture of that.
Stand.
Not that strong, huh?
Wow.
We need Lisa in the picture.
Yeah. You'll be doing this a few months.
Oh, that's good.
Okay, one more.
Very good.
Okay. Yeah.
Oh, very good. Okay, who got the bells? Christy, you got them?
Yeah. So, what are y'all going to do today to celebrate?
Today, nothing. We're going to wait for a couple of minutes.
Yes, I know. You're a phenomenal person.
Okay. Thanks.
You can take it with you, baby.
Hobby Lobby. Where you get the bells? Hobby Lobby. It is Bell Central at Hobby Lobby.
So what we want to do is get a little card, like saying, and we're going to put them on a little thing and hook them to the bells and give it to them when they finish their own.
Yeah, you could order them too.
So Todd, you cooked for all of us now today? Since you didn't cook,
Hey, tiramisu.
it's all in the back. Okay, and it's at my 108 Estate Drive. Okay, my present's coming.
It's on its way.
It's on its way. Okay.
You want to have it either tomorrow? You know how slow the mail is. So.
Oh, okay. I'll call you tonight or tomorrow.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. All right. Bye.
Yay!
Thank y'all. You're welcome.
Thank y'all.
Bye. Thanks.
Bye, Dr. Campbell. Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks.
All right, Miss Lisa.
All right.
You're welcome. I'm gonna miss y'all. Hey, I'll see you next month.
Yep.
You will see me next month. I'll be back. Oh no, maybe not for that. I'm gonna see you here next month. Oh, don't make me feel guilty.
Bye-bye. Everybody got their bells? Okay.
All the way into the hospital. She calls. Smells
Oh,
so they wanted to be